Hi, my name is Matt Levaik. I live in Canada, Quebec. I have a 94 GMC Sierra with a 350 TBI injection with 240 kilometers. I think it's 180 miles on it. Runs really great, but I think I have a kind of hard start with this truck. I changed the ignition plugs, a rotor, brand new wires, and I still have the catalyc converter on it, the old one. So I think it's 19 years old. It's getting old. I have a kind of hard start. Let me show you if it's normal. And sometimes the trucks run strumble when cold, like a blop, 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 blop. And sometimes accelerating really well, and sometimes I have to push a little more the pedal for a great acceleration. And sometimes it's poor in fuel, sometimes it's great. I don't know what is going on. Let me show you what kind of hard start I want to tell you. Not so bad this morning. And have some, not one cold, but some oil pressure lower when idle, like quarter of the zero and the 275 there. When it's at idle, when hot. Look at this trumble, I tell you. Blah, 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 blah.